Also came across this. Wow. Hey guys, good morning. I already got up, ate breakfast and everything, and my parents and my brother are still getting ready inside, so I just thought I would take a little walk outside the hotel before we check out. It's actually pretty sunny right now. The weather is not really cold. So I was just walking and I just came across this.
Now we're finally in the train in Oslo. We're going to go to Myrdal in 5 hours.
Yeah, 5 hours. Will be fun. Scenic place.
Right?
So in 5 hours we will reach Myrdal station. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct. Then from Myrdal, then from there we're going to Flam. From here we took the Flam railway, which took us about 2 hours. Since it was a 2-hour train ride, we thought we might get bored, so we got out our deck of cards, but no. Throughout the entire ride, we were kept occupied by the most beautiful views of Flam, starting from waterfalls coming out of everywhere, which is a specialty of Norway, and many other landscapes. Around halfway, they told us to get down at the Kjosfossen waterfall. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'll put it in writing in the description down below. Here we were given 5 minutes to take some photos and videos. When we were shooting some videos, a lady in a red dress just jumped out of nowhere and started dancing. After some research, we got to know that she's actually a Haldra, which is a mythical forest creature. And this was actually a myth which was believed by the Norwegians, but it was also seen as a show which was set to attract more tourists. So that's about it. We've finally reached our destination here at Flam, and we have a hotel view of the fjords, which is absolutely stunning. And we're so excited that we're going to be staying here for 2 whole nights and can't wait to explore more of the fjords. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys in our next video.